I'm going to put on my concealer on my eyes, which is down here. Again, I'm just using the Colourpop. Alright, and then I'm just going to tap that out. Okay, so that's all on my eyes there. So what I'm going to start off with is I'm going to get my Makeup Revolution. I love makeup. This is Chocolate and Peaches. And what I'm going to go in with is, to start off with, I'm just going to go in with this light pink just over here. So yeah, just blending that all the way up. On either side there. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with this deeper pink. Just here. And I'm going to pull that like a bit further down, so more onto my crease. Just with the same brush, and I'm using my E2 from Colourpop. Now, if you see that, I'm going to go in with my Vegan Crease Blender, and I'm going to go in with this colour just here. So just another deeper colour, and again I'm going to put that into my crease. Just sort of do it in circular motions, just to get it all in there. Okay, so I'm going to go in with these colours, and this is my Colourco eyeshadow. And again, with that Vegan Beauty Blender, I'm just going to go in with this little purple just here. And I'm just going to give that a good, just in that V. Sort of like make it a bit smoky. Alright, and then with a packing brush, which is my Colourpop E4, I'm going to go in with this colour right here that my daughter seems to have gotten into. And I'm just going to pack that lightly just over the lid. Alright, and then just to blend it all out, I'm going to go again with my Beauty Blender, but I'm going to go in with this lighter pink just here. It's sort of like a purpley lilac colour. I'm just going to brush that in there. Alright, and then so we have that. So I'm going to go into sorry about that. Alright, so I'm just going to use a bit of concealer today just because I don't like using a lot of foundation. So, tap all that redness out. I'm just going to use my Beauty Blender just to... Sorry about that, I was just making sure that my Beauty Blender was actually wet. Just keep thinking, is it? Which is silly because you can totally tell it's wet. It's quite, you know, full. So just tap that out. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of bronzer. I'm going to use my Models Prefer Contour and Tan. And I'm going to use this brush here, which is again my Colourpop, but I have no idea what it is. So I'm just going to give a little bit of only a little bit. I don't want too much. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my mascara, which I'm going to use Awesome Lash and Define, which is by Makeup Revolution. Just a slight wee on my lashes there. Alright, and for... Okay, and so for my brows, I'm just going to use my Make Me Brow by Essence. Just going to go quick over with that, just to give my brows a bit more definition. And then I'm going to go in with my Super Precise Essence. let that dry. So I'm not going to go in with a wing today, just going to sort of define Yep, go. And then I'm going to go in with, if I can find it, I'm going to go in with this brush here, which is my vegan pencil brush, and I'm going to go in with that light pink colour, just this one just here. Sorry about my fingers, my daughter has been in my makeup and I went to grab something out and there, I got black eyeshadow all over my finger. Alright, so and then I'm going to add that on there, and then I'm going to go in with that pink just to do it a bit more. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with my Colourpop F5, and I'm going to go in with my Goddess Triple Baked Highlighter. And what colour is this? Golden Goddess. And just give it a bit of highlight, because totally all about that highlight. Bit on the nose, just a bit of definition. Pack it all on there. There we go. So there's quite a bit of highlighter on there. Alright. So, and from there I'm gonna put on some foundation actually, because I have noticed how red I am. So I'm just gonna use my makeup brush, which is my vegan flat face. And what am I using today? Elf and Buff. Actually, I think it's ELF, because it means eyes, lips and face. Yes, I know I've put concealer on before, which is bad, but I actually didn't realise how red I was. And then I'm going to redo my highlighter. Alright, there we go. Looks good. Alright. So then I'm going to go in with my brush again, which is again F5, and I'm going to put some more on, just because that foundation now would have screwed it up. So just on my high cheekbones, a bit on my nose, on my cupid's bow, and just a bit just up here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my lip balm, just to put in underneath my lipstick, which is, what have we got here? We've got Macadamia Shea Butter by Lacroix. Then we're going to go in with my Alright, so I'm going to go a little bit bold today, and I'm going to go in with my Colourpop Queen. Just because the lips are a bit muted. I mean, the eyes are a bit muted, so alright, so there we go. There's my final look. Hope you guys like it. So